This is an instructional video on how to use the adjustable vial in the Klein Tools 2-foot bubble level.
So when you're using the adjustable vial, you can take an existing conduit
And transfer the angle of the bend.
and it's a simple adjustment. It's very easily done. You can rotate the dial very easily. This particular one sits right around 30 degrees. So we can match it with a bender. Now you can double check your degree of bend. This vial on the 2-foot level can be used to match bends in conduit, offsets, kicks, saddles, and whatever needs to be matched from existing pipework.